Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're reviewing TallyMoney, a UK fintech app that converts your pounds into physical gold and lets you spend it like traditional money. It promises to save in gold, spend like cash. First, how it works. When you top up your Tally account, your deposit is converted into tallies, which is 1 tally equals to 1 milligram of gold, with the gold stored in insured vaults in Switzerland. You then use a Tally Debit MasterCard to spend your gold anywhere MasterCard is accepted. The fees are transparent. There's an activation fee, annual keeping fee of 0.5%, and a 1.49% purchase fee when converting fiat to gold. Spending and ATM withdrawals are typically free. On the plus side, users appreciate the clean UI, instant conversion, and fee clarity. On Trustpilot, TallyMoney holds roughly a 4-star rating, with many praising ease of use and responsive support. However, critics note real issues: occasional card acceptance problems, complaints about account lockouts, and slow or unhelpful customer service in some cases. A key risk: TallyMoney is not a bank and doesn't offer FCCS protection. Your gold is backed by insurance, but the platform itself operates outside traditional banking safeguards. So, is it worth it? It can be a compelling option if you're comfortable with gold as a long-term store of value, want to hedge against inflation, and use the card often. But if your priority is safety, liquidity, or access to full banking features, it may be better as a supplementary tool rather than your main account. And that would be all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.